Mastering Your Bandsaw, a beginner's guide to tuning. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase, tuning up a bandsaw. This is a common term in woodworking and DIY projects, but what does it really mean? Stay tuned as we break it down for you, ensuring you grasp every bit of its meaning and usage. Tuning up a bandsaw involves adjusting and optimizing the bandsaw machine to ensure it operates efficiently and safely. A bandsaw is a powerful tool used for cutting various materials, primarily wood, in curved or regular shapes. Like any complex equipment, it requires regular maintenance to perform at its best. Why is tuning up so crucial? First, it ensures accuracy in cutting, which is vital for any project's success. Secondly, it enhances safety by preventing the bandsaw from malfunctioning. Lastly, regular tuning up extends the lifespan of the machine, making it a worthwhile practice for any user. 1. Checking the blade. Ensure the blade is sharp and properly tensioned. A dull or loosely fitted blade can lead to inaccurate cuts or even pose a safety risk. 2. Adjusting the guides. Bandsaw blades are supported by guides above and below the table. These guides need to be adjusted to just barely touch the blade, ensuring it runs straight without deviation. 3. Aligning the wheels. The wheels that the blade runs on should be coplanar to prevent the blade from drifting off course. 4. Setting the table square. The table should be perfectly square to the blade for accurate cuts. This is achieved by adjusting the table tilt. 5. Lubricating moving parts. Regular lubrication of the bandsaw's moving components reduces wear and tear, ensuring smooth operation. Neglecting regular maintenance. Failing to tune up your bandsaw can lead to decreased performance and increased safety hazards. Over-tightening the blade. While a properly tensioned blade is crucial, over-tightening can cause premature wear or even break the blade. Ignoring manufacturer's instructions. Always refer to the manufacturer's manual for specific tuning and maintenance guidelines suited to your bandsaw model. Tuning up a bandsaw might seem daunting at first, but understanding its importance and the steps involved demystifies the process. Regular maintenance not only ensures precision in your woodworking projects but also safeguards your investment in the tool. We hope this video has illuminated the phrase, tuning up a bandsaw, for you and why it's a vital practice for any woodworker or DIY enthusiast. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.